Guys, what's up? It's Monkey121, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Krita. Now, this is an app that you can use in order to make different things on, so you can like post on your channel, you can save them as a file, anyway, you can just do different art, and I think it's really cool. So today I'm going to be showing it to you. This is going to be my brand new channel, not channel art, it's going to be just my channel's logo. Now, this is what I'm working on right now, but so the way I've done this is, let's see, I can make I'm gonna go ahead and save as, wait, no, I'm gonna go ahead and go File, Save. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and save this as Monkey, and then what you want to do is go to PNG. You want to go to PNG, Monkey PNG. There we go. Wait a moment, I think I already have a file called Monkey PNG. So I'm gonna go save Monkey 2, and then let's use PNG, and then save. And all those settings are okay, so now you've got this saved. I'm gonna make a new one, and I can just show you how this works. So I'm gonna do this amount of pixels, resolution, all good. So I'll do that. Now basically what we can do here is, if you have a Wakeboard that's going to be really useful for this, or a Wacom, it's like, basically, if you don't know what it is, it's like this little thing that allows you to interact with your computer. Anyway, that's what I'm going to be using to draw. And so, I mean, I'm still kind of new at this, but I can give you the basics of how to use it. And then, so basically what you want to do is to equip brush. This is the toolbar over here. This is the toolbar. So I'm going to equip brush. Then I'm going to go over here and make my brush color black. So that's what I usually use. And to make this smaller and bigger, you gotta press the parentheses button. That one makes it, so the right parentheses button makes your brush bigger, and the left parentheses button makes your brush smaller. Now I'm gonna stick to a pretty small parentheses. Then I'm gonna go to brush presets, and I personally prefer this one right there. So now I'm gonna go back to layers. And pretty much from here, you can draw anything you want, and I'll get into a little bit more in depth too, but basically what this is you can just pretty much draw anything you want, and to delete what your last thing you did, you press Control Z. Now, so I'm just going to draw something simple, because next video I'm going to turn this into a GIF. So then I'm just going to make the mouth like that, nose like that, make his eyes like that. There we go. Okay, so there's my little person. Give his little ears. Okay, and then give him some hair. Okay, now here's the basis of the picture. Now if you want to fill things in really quickly, all you have to do is click this over here. It's the fill button. Now I'm gonna fill in his skin. So there we go. And then I'm not really going to go through the trouble of filling in his hair. But so it's real simple. I just drew this for no reason. And then, so now the other tools, so you can make other tools too, like this one is a circle tool. You can make circles and ovals. And then this one is a rectangle tool. You can make rectangles and squares. And this one is a hexagon tool, I believe. Yeah. I'm not really sure how this one works. I haven't really used this one. So I'm just gonna exit that one. I mean, like I said, I'm new at this too, so I can give you very few things. But, so, over here, you can change the opacity, which basically makes it to where it's lower in, like, it's dimmer or brighter. You can change the opacity for these purposes. And then you can go down here and press add layer. And then, so now we're on layer 3. And basically, this is going to be part of how I'm going to be showing you how to make the GIF. Switch this. Alright. So I'm just going to kind of do a simple opening at first. And then I'm just going to be making it kind of a weird GIF. So he's going to be growing a slight beard. Wait, hold on. I did this completely wrong. Okay, so you gotta, so I'm gonna set the opacity up there. Now you gotta grab this rectangle tool over here, or not the rectangle tool, but like the outlining tool basically. Then you gotta press Control Copy, Control Paste, and it should make its own layer. Now I'm gonna make this one. Opacity is going to be low. Now, I'm going to change this so that now it's going to be a little different. So, now that I've made this other layer, I can change it to, I can have this layer. I'll erase this on this layer. Grab the erase. I can erase all this. What the heck just happened? Okay, well, looks like I messed something up on layer 2. Okay, so now that I've erased that, aha. I hope that I did not just crap something up. What have I done? Anyway, so I think you get the basic idea of this. And so that is the basis of my video. And so now we're gonna go to this layer and we're gonna erase everything here. So now we can set this layer's opacity to 50% around there. That's probably gonna be best. Now that we're on this layer, we can go, so I'm gonna set the pen back to about where it was, and then I'm gonna make a different now why can't I draw? This is stupid. As I said, I'm new at this. Oh yeah, that's because I'm erasing. That was stupid. Okay, so now we can go over here and then draw the new mouth, just a bit different. So now we've got that, and let's go right here. So we made that, and now we can set layer 2's opacity to 0. Wait a moment, did I just erase a whole mouth? Okay, well, I can just erase that. And then, okay. What is going on? Okay. So, what we can do is, I'm gonna choose to erase all this. Huh. Why is this not working? I have no clue why it's not working. What? Okay. Okay, so we've deleted that layer. Okay, all good. We can turn this opacity down. And now, we can go right here. And then, oops, wrong layer. Gotta go to layer 4 and then go like this. It's gonna be a pretty quick animation. So, that's gonna be that. And we'll fill this up. Okay, well, let's just not do that and just keep it like that because for some reason it's not working. And then set this opacity to about 50. Set layer 2 to 0. And add another one. And so and do this. And then make his mouth like that. Okay. Oops. Okay. And then we'll go over to layer 5 and make his mouth like that. And so now that we've got all this, we can file, save as, and we'll make project, and then it has to be a PNG. Save. Okay. Now that's my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you later, alligators. Bye bye.